Team Tajikistan in the blue corner. And we are staying here in the welterweight division. A division which will have a very big fight later on tonight in Salt Lake City. So a nice little strike to the body there for, oh, that front kick looked to land a little bit high, but Team Australia's Brodie Mayocchi didn't really seem to have that much of a problem with it. He took it in stride. Trying here for the takedown. Nice takedown there. Side control. And in this situation, the cage could actually work against Mayocchi. Could limit his movement, but wow, but it could, but it didn't. He gets right into full mount early on with over a minute left to work. These are, of course, 3 2-minute rounds in youth amateur MMA. Trying to lock up an arm triangle. Leontev is doing a correct defense, which is called answering the phone. But depending on the squeeze and positioning, that doesn't always mean you're safe. And interesting here that Mayocchi, he is not stepping over to his left side. He seems to have abandoned the arm triangle now.
Let's work for a submission, Brodie. Yes, Brodie.
Oh, look at that. Going for an Americana. He's got to be careful. He's got to get turned around. And he, oh, wow. Lightning quick submission there. Armbar victory for Team Australia's Brodie Mayocchi. He was all offense from start to finish, bro. You got to give him that. He took it looked like he took a front kick to the face, but just powered through it.
And from cage free, your winner is in the red corner, Australia.
Brodie Mayocchi from Team Australia getting it done quickly, fighting like he's double parked, but I sincerely doubt he drove here. So, I mean, look at that. That was just lovely. I wonder if perhaps he was baiting his opponent or if he just, you know, took the opportunity when he had it. Yeah, that was hyper extended. Yeesh. And an elated